Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I finally got my hands on a new Canon 700D. This is actually my first ever camera. I bought this from Chrissy's corner for 2,899 kina. So before we go into the video, I am not going to talk about the specs, the specifications and how the camera works. We'll just unbox and see what's inside the box and what comes with the camera. So this is actually my second time buying from Chrissy's corner. Now the first time I bought a Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Right on top we have the paperwork, the receipt, the delivery note. They also offer free shipping, but I'd say that cost is likely factored into the total price for a smoother transaction. Before the gear, let's look at the bag. Helpful infographic cards, the shellac included. I'm just checking out the pockets here. It feels steady and seems to have plenty of room for extra batteries or SD cards. Now for the accessories, first out is the camera neck strap. Followed by the shoulder strap for the bag. Then we have the USB cable and the charger. Keep in mind, this is a US style plug, so you'll need an adapter to use it with our local power outlets. Next up is the lens. This is the standard 18 to 15mm kit lens, which is great for starting out. And here is the star of the show, the Canon 700D body. It's a classic for a reason. Interestingly, I also found a battery already inside the camera. And a nice surprise, it came with a 16GB Kingston brand SD card tucked away in the slot as well. And that's the complete unboxing. Everything from the body and lens to the straps and SD card. I'm not I'm not going to be turning it on in this video, but I'm really happy with these patches from Chrissy's Corner. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.